Hi, boys and girls. Hi, Incarnation families. Remember, I'm Miss Margaret, and I'm here today to do a science project with you. Things that are at home, easy to do, called Sink or Float. And so I printed this, but you can just draw something like this if you want. I also have another paper that you could make where you can make your predictions and then what really happened, the results of Sink or Float. Also, I just gathered a bunch of things from the house. Not one thing did I have to go buy. Another thing I want to tell you right quickly before we start is this is a fun game to play when the kids are in the bathtub, because you can take items and you can hold them up and say, okay, do you think this will sink or float? They make their prediction and then you give it to them, and they're in the bathtub, water's already there, and they can try to see if it sinks or floats. All right, today one of my ideas was I have two spoons. One is plastic and one is metal. Now what do you think? Do you think the plastic one will float or sink? The metal one will float or sink? Let's give it a try. I'm going to put the plastic one, and I have my bowl right here of water, and it's floating. Now, what do you think? You're probably right. It's metal, it's heavy, it's dense. Oh, it did. It sunk. So we've got a float and a sink. All right, let me try this stick. Let's have a stick. What do you think? Predict. Let's see. It's floating. All right, let's see. This is a good one. This is a little pom-pom. Let's see what happens to the pom-pom. Okay, it's floating right now. We're going to watch and see. All right, what about a feather? Do you think a feather will float or sink? Whoops. It's floating, but I want you to notice what happened to that pom-pom as soon as it filled up with water, just like a cotton ball would do. It's way down here. It sunk. All right, let's see. Oh, here's a ball, a ping pong ball. What do you think? I agree. I think it'll probably float. Now here's a good one, a rock. You think it'll sink or float? I think it'll sink too. Let's see. Whoops, it sure did. Okay, let's see, a penny. It's not very big. It sure is light. Let's see what happens. It sunk. It's metal. It just was heavier than we thought, the denseness of it. Let me do one more. Paperclip. It sunk. And think how lightweight it is. If you hold up the paperclip and the feather, they feel about the same. But one is made of metal and one is lighter. The feathers have air that can get in between them. Okay. Have a pencil. It's floating. And I have a gold coin. It sunk. So those are all of the kinds. You can do all kinds of things with this. The bathtub game to me is the most fun. But enjoy your sink or float. Report back to me, please, how it went. Have fun. Bye.